Let's look how we can write the equation of a circle given the center and a point on a circle. So remember from last class what we learned is that from any 2 points we can draw a line segment and therefore draw a right triangle. So let's go ahead and do that. I'm going to connect the 2 points together, and so that is our radius of our circle, r. Now, we do not know the radius right now, but we do know that we can use the Pythagorean theorem anytime we have a right triangle and we have a missing side. Now, I can draw a vertical line down and a horizontal line across, and this will be our x value here. And up here will be our y value. We can easily measure the distance. So if you count across, you can see that this is 3. And if you count up, we also have 3. So we can use the Pythagorean theorem. If you remember what that is, it's a side square plus another side squared is equal to the hypotenuse square. Well, in this case, our side is x squared, and our vertical side is our y squared, and our hypotenuse happens to be our radius, which would be r squared. So using that theorem, we can plug in those values. So let's go ahead and do that. We have 3 squared, which is our x value. So I can go ahead and write that down here. X squared plus y squared equals r squared. And that would be to find the missing side of this right triangle. So I have 3 squared plus the vertical distance here is 3, so square that. And we have our r squared as well. Simplifying this equation, 3 squared is 9. I'm going to write it below here. So 9, and another 3 squared is plus 9 is equal to r squared. Now we just need to combine 9 and 9, which is 18. So r squared equals 18. Now that we know r squared, we are asked to find the equation of this circle in standard form. Well, here is our standard form written up here. And all we need to do is input the center and the radius. Well, we know our center is our HK, which in this case is given as 5, 5. And our radius square is right here, 18. So to write the equation, I can easily just plug in my h value. So I will write x minus 5, square that, plus my k value right here is also 5. Here's my k value. So I will write y minus 5. And our r squared, we calculated it to be 18, so I can just write it as 18. And that completes our equation of our circle in standard form.